Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again, and what I'm going to do, I've dug up another bed. This is bed number 5. This is bed number 5. I've dug that up, and what I'm going to be putting in this one, I've got some loads of tomato what someone gave me, and you can see they're just getting leggy, so these need to go into the ground now, or some people would just put them on, but I haven't got time for all that palaver. I've got loads more at home, as you can see how long they are. These are black cherry ones, money maker, black. Got some more in my polytol orange. Well, I've got quite a selection of tomatoes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some in the ground from now and see how those do before I put any more in, because they're all getting long and leggy, and some are getting a bit things telling me that they want to go out, so I'm going to do that. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I'm just going to put three across just to give them enough space. I'm going to put some Epsom salts in the holes. I've dug these holes pretty deep because I want them to go down as deep so that they're nice and strong. Put some chicken manure pellets. Once they get established in that, if they do, then I'll put, I always do that to the Epsom salt. I don't know why I do that every time I come down here. I've got that cleared up. I don't know why I do that every time I come down here. If it's not the Epsom salt, then it's the blood fish and bone. I haven't done it to the chicken manure pellets yet, but that most probably comes sooner or later. I'm looking for the long ones. As you can see, they're really pot bound and dry. Have to save these pots. So this is our orange small ones. So this is like our orange cherry tomato. So just take off these bottom stems. As you know, tomatoes has root system all the way down. So I'm going to put this right down like that and just fill that in. Give that a good mounding up so the root is nice and deep in there. What I'll do, I'll just put them next to each other then. I was going to put a different one next in there, but I've got to. I'm just going to put in any one, because at the end of the day, they're all tomatoes. You can see that they really wanted to go out from a while ago. I'm putting them really deep so that they get a good chance of getting a nice strong root structure to them. So I'm giving them a nice bit of space as well. So if you're watching our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Don't only just watch what most people are doing. We're here to help everybody, get us to where we should be. I know we're putting out the content and I know people's watching it, but they don't want to subscribe for some reason. All it is just to press the button and press subscribe, and there you're there. We've got auto subscribe as well for those of you who don't know how to do it. I'm just going to check what I've got left in the greenhouse because I've got a lot down here. But I just want to get the long ones in first. Right, as you can see, I've got a lot of tomatoes. I did ask my neighbours, but most people's got their ones in already. Right, this is a orange Wellington. This one I haven't got a label, so I don't know what that one is. This one is a beefy. People rarely put labels on their ones, what they've got on their one, but I'm not bothered about that. Tomato is tomato. When it grows, you come out and you pick it. and you eat it. That's what you do with it. So I'm not really fussed. I'm going to be planting some at home. I've still got a lot at home. I don't know why I've got so much. I gave away loads. Can't remember how many plants I got. Most probably over 100 or so. And then some of them what I usually give away, that they're not doing gardening this year, so that's why I've still got a lot. Right, so I'm just going to put them in and then just hope for the best. Just putting them, make sure that they're nice and deep so that their roots can get well more established. As you can see, they're a bit pot bound at the moment. Don't know if I put any chicken manure pellets in this one. Doesn't look like there was any in there. So I'm going to do these and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Everybody, someone gave me this tub. It's a frame what you built, like an hexagon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put 4 tomato plants in here. Technically I could put 5, but I'm just going to put 4, a mixture of them. This is the compost from what you get from the shop. So I'm going to put some Epsom salts into the hole. I haven't got much blood, fish and bone left. Well, I've got some, but not here. And I'm going to put some chicken manure pellets in. This one, I don't know what this one is, so just going to plant it deep as I can and just let them do their thing out here. Right, so that's one. Trying to think where to put I'm going to put one here. You can see this dirt is nice and loose. What I'll do when I come back down, I'll just top dress this with some other stuff. So now all what I've got left to do now is just to water. This one is a Tiger. You can see they need to go out. They're getting pot bound and very dry. So bury that right down so that just the root is showing. I'm going to put another one here. Epsom salt. Blood and fish and bone, because this is all I've got left and I've got one more to do. And some chicken manure pellets in that. And this one is a money maker. And the other one goes here. And this one is orange, small orange one. So now I've got the aeroplane noise. Sorry about that, always say that in every video. The aeroplane, the airport is nearby, so we get a lot of planes taking off and landing. Right, so that's all the blood, fish and bone, Epsom salt and chicken manure pellets. So if you like these videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So that's what I've done for today. Just dug up that bed, got my tomato plants in, some of them in, still got quite a few more what I'm going to put in there. Just put these on just to see what they're like when I come back. If they're okay, then I'll put the rest in. So that's it for today. So I hope you all enjoy this one, and thanks for watching, and happy gardening to you all, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care. Thank you.